Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. So, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a completely updated room tour because if you didn't know, I had a little series and I redid my room, and it wasn't like a super big thing, but I got some new decorations and I just, revamped my room a little bit. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video, and let's go. Okay, so here we have the bed. I still have the same white comforter, but I have these lovely pillows. I have these blue ones, these blue pillow covers from Target, not Target, Amazon. And then I have this pillow from Target, which is super cute. And then obviously, the bear right there, we can't forget about him. And then I have my little twinkle lights that I always have, and they just go up there. And I've had them around for a long time. Then we have this awesome, this awesome neon light right there. It's just a cloud neon sign thingy. Okay, then right here by the bed I have this really cute frame with a bunch of pictures in it. I just found these on Pinterest and printed them off on my HP sprocket, and I hung it on the wall, and I think it's really, really cute. There's Chick-fil-A, there's Disney World, there's a giraffe, there's a skateboard, you got it all. Then on this wall, underneath my little shelf, we have these cute little succulents. They're fake, but they're still cute. And I made these cute little planter things for them. And yeah, I really like them. And then on this shelf, we have some succulents, some candles. It's all good. And then on this table right here, I have my clock. I have this little succulent, and I have this same picture that I've had up for like forever. Then on my shelf, on this bottom shelf, don't really look at that. It's like, kind of like the junkiest part of my shelf, even though there's not much on there. These are just bookshelves. I have a candle, I have these cute flowers, and my disco ball. You guys already know what this is, so we're gonna move over. Alright, so here we have my desk. It's not the most organized, but it's hard to make this look super organized when it's small. So we have my jewelry holder, we have a lint roller, we have a happy jar, we have a jar with a bunch of coins in it, we have other stuff. Oh, just so you know, it's not July 30th anymore, it's actually August 21st. Yeah, and then we have this little painting that we have this painting that Abby did, which goes right there. And I have this chair, and it's broken, so I don't really use it. But yeah, there it is. And then, oh yes, the most glorious part, I have these paintings, which I love so much. I painted them. I did not come up with all the ideas on my own, but I really like how they look. I have my letter board, with all my pictures on it with my friends and stuff. And then over here we have some bins that I keep some clothes in. And then on this shelf, the shelf hasn't changed much since the last room tour I did, but I have my galaxy jar thing, my earring tree, my bowl of rings, my little fairy light jar thing. I actually never turn this on, but I should. And then I have this little sign, and then here's more of my closet. This is also, holds clothes. This is my more fall and winter stuff on the bottom, and this stuff is like for spring and summer. Then over here we have scarves and a random robe that I don't really use anymore. There's some pictures up there. And then right here is where I hang all of my bags. I just keep them there. And then on my door I have a bunch of Bible verses, and I think I already told you guys that, but yeah, I have a bunch of Bible verses. And then right here under my closet is where I keep all of my shoes. I always kind of forget how many shoes I have, and I really don't wear all of them. I don't wear very many of them, but yeah, here are my shoes, and I think that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and this is the full conclusion of my room makeover series. It just come to a close. It was awesome. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!